Purchasing and managing custom visual object licenses in AppSource makes it easy for Power BI users to access advanced, customizable visualizations. In this video, we will explore the most frequently asked questions about the process of purchasing, allocating, and managing licenses. To access the full version of a visual object, first install the free version on AppSource by selecting Install for Free. If you want more features, you can purchase the license through the Buy Now option and complete the purchase using a credit card. It is also possible to pay by invoice, if the company allows it. Remember that after purchase, the license is automatically assigned to your account. Any user in the organization can purchase licenses for visual objects in AppSource, and assign them to other members of the company, without the need for special privileges within the organization. After the purchase, the license is automatically assigned to the purchaser and can be managed from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. The owner of the license can assign it to other users from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Access the licensing section in the billing node, select the visual object and choose the users to assign the license to. Activation is immediate and may require updating the report to reflect the changes. Administrators can review subscriptions and allocations in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and consult technical support should they require additional assistance. The option to cancel subscriptions is also available to billing administrators, ensuring complete control of licenses in AppSource.